Welcome to the First Pathways Toolkit. To start, all you'll need to do is click the play button in the top menu. From here, you'll be brought to your home page. At the top, you'll see a welcome message with your brain building level, and below this, you'll see a leaderboard and a list of age categories. If you click on the age category of your child, you'll be brought to a wheel of age-appropriate brain-building games. Here you can spin the wheel and be brought to a page for that game. Anytime you visit one of these pages and play one of these games, you'll gain experience points and level up your brain-building level, which lets you compete with other players. Let's look back at the leaderboard. Whenever you register to play games on the First Pathways Toolkit, you're matched with a small group of other players. The leaderboard on your homepage shows this group and the current standings between you. The more games you play, the higher your level will be, and the higher on the leaderboard you'll end up. So check back when you can, and keep building those brains.